Hey, welcome back, guys and gals, all you Hot Wheel lovers. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing, home of the channel where you never know what we're going to show or what we're going to find. This week we found got a Hot Wheels monster trucks ×2. Then we got it at the Family Dollar. Figure it's a sweet little set to collect. Got 2 monster trucks. Got a demolition car with it. And we got the bone shaker with it, which is pretty nice. And they got all kinds you can get. As you can see, it's my setup here. We got this set. And this set here. And this one here. Just thought it was a pretty neat little set. I think it was about $10. Anyway, like I said, you never know what you're gonna find here. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Thank you.